We're actually celebrating our 45th anniversary as a family-owned business located right here in Greensboro this month. And Community Housing Solutions is such a wonderful organization that does a lot right here in our backyard. We're actually on site today building a ramp and working with them to help modify a home and make it safer for the person who lives there so he has more independence. Our organizations really have a lot of things in common. Even though we work in different industries, we're both focused on safety. For us, it's keeping people safe while they're at work, and for them, it's keeping people safe while they're in their homes.
The mission of Community Housing Solutions is to preserve homeownership by making homes warmer, drier, and safer. So we work with homeowners in Guilford County to preserve and to provide homeownership opportunities. We primarily serve older adults that have limited physical activity and financial means and disabled homeowners.
Our company has a history of giving back to the community, and with this initiative we were really able to give back of our time and be here on site working hands-on building this ramp, while our customers were able to help us give back financially. We ran a % of sales give back yesterday, and our customers really showed up for us. With the purchases they made, we're excited to announce we will be donating over $32,000 to CHS this afternoon.
The impact of the donation and the volunteer hours that Safeguard is making today will have a huge impact with the homeowner, because it's both the time that the employees are spending volunteering today that allows us to complete a ramp and a deck repair in 2 days, which might take us up to a week. So there's savings there. And then the financial donation allows us to provide the lumber and other materials needed to build this, which since COVID, building costs have gone way up. So the impact is huge in leveraging the support to not only do Mr. Mitchell's, but from other organizations in the community, so that we're able to do over 160 home repairs in a year.
We really enjoy being out here together, getting out of the office and enjoying this beautiful weather and building things and meeting new people. But let's be real, the best part was demo day. I think everybody loved being able to sling a sledgehammer and pry up floorboards and just toss them on the trailer. We've learned a lot while we're here, but I think that's probably everybody's favorite part.
There's great value in this ramp that we're building and the other accessibility modifications, but it's the impact that you have when you bring people together in community to serve one another, and the gratitude that I've seen from Mr. Mitchell out here, and the smiles and the conversations. That's worth almost just as much as the repairs in helping to rebuild homes and restore hope in our community.